Good morning. I'm down here at Nerang River today. It's been a while since I've been here. Got a fair bit of rain down this way a week ago, so at the moment I'm down to the Carrara stretch of the river. I'll see if there's any whiting about here. I expect they'll be down further downstream, but I'll give it a go here first. If I get nothing, I'll head downstream. I expect I'll probably end up down there Monaco Street or even the council chambers. Anyway, let's see if there's any whiting about right here. Wish me luck. That's 28 centimetres. As you can see, I've moved once, so I'm not at the Carrara Reach. I think they call this down the Boondall area. Nice little tar wine, 28 centimetres. So I'm down at Monaco Street now, so obviously I haven't been catching too much. Well, I've only got one whiting in this, so I've only been here for 5 minutes. If I don't get anything else, I'll just go down to the council chambers, see what happens. Down at the council chambers, reading the quiet morning. Hope they get bigger than this. 29 centimetres. Well, I'm going to call that a day. It's been a very slow morning. You know, I could probably put it down to all the rain we got a week ago. Anyway, ended up with full whiting and a bloody tar wine, so I'll just have to do me. Until the next time, eh? It's just 30 centimetres. I just got him while I was packing up. I didn't have another cast or all. Anyway, so we'll end up with 5 whiting. 5 whiting and a tar one. Now I'm going. Until next time.